Hello makers, let's see how to get started with Indicate. Go to your Indicate dashboard, click on Manage Repository Access. Here you will be able to invite yourself to the GitHub repository by entering your username. After the access has been shared, you have to accept it on your email ID. After that, move to the documentation. Let's clone the repository. Let's open terminal. So I am in the directory where I want to start my project. So let's do it. Git clone, and the name of my project will be NanoBanana. So let's see if it has been cloned. Yes. Let's cd into NanoBanana and let's open it my cursor or Windsurf. So I have opened the cloned repository in my cursor code editor. Now here I have opened the terminal, and here we will install the pnpm first if it is not already installed. On my system it is already installed, so I'll move ahead to the next command, which is pnpm install. This will install the dependencies. Done. Now we have to run dev server in order to preview the application. Here we can see that app is ready on localhost colon 3000. Now let's go through the directory structure. Your main app starts with this src folder. Inside src folder, we have multiple folders. Let's first take a look at files. The middleware.ts takes care of middleware. Then we have auth.ts, which takes care of authentication. You don't need to change anything from here. Then we have app folder, which is a entry point of our application. Inside app folder, we have named groups. First group is for authentication. Second group is for in-app. The third group is website layout. It contains everything that is in the website. Then we have a API folder and a super admin folder. If I have to change anything on my homepage, I need to go to website layout and I need to edit this particular file. Let's update this hero2 section. You can press command and click and you can go inside that particular component, or you can also find that component in @/component/section/hero2. So you can explore this file, components sections hero2, and here you can edit this file. Let's do it. Generate AI images using Nano Banana AI. Great. Here we can see the changes have been made. Now, if you want to change other things like the header and footer and other stuff, what you can do is you can open this config.ts file, which is inside src/lib/config. And here you can update this app config object. So you can update these variables and changes will be made automatically on Indicate. Here we can see it is showing NanoBanana AI. So this is how you get started with Indicate. It's same for both Indicate Pro and multi-tenant kit. Before moving forward, make sure to run this command git remote remove origin. This will remove your reference to original Indicate repository. So that way you will be able to make changes to your code and push into your own repository instead of this Indicate repository. So remove the origin by running this command. And after that, you can come to git, and here you can make changes and then you can push the changes into your own GitHub repository.